guys, Polygraph Mechanics Server here, back for another video, and I'm sorry if I haven't made a video for a very long time. I'm just too lazy to make one, so sorry guys. And then today we're going to do some co-op survival in Pixelgun 3D, not co-op, and we're doing Winter Wonderland, so let's do. Oh, let's make custom server. Custom server? Custom. I don't care, so I'll do this, guys. Just to be sure that I'll be the first one to play. And this also, I think, offers more gems and trophies. No gems. Um, XP, trophies, and coins. That's what I saw on YouTube, so let's start this. Also, I am a bit disappointed with this berry rifle. I bought it from the armory. I don't know why, but this isn't helping me. The only thing that's helping me in this game is this fire orb melee and the sniper or the Uzi. So here, the berry rifles just the only ones that's not helping. Look, wait. Whenever I try to kill some, look what happens. Maybe just on the move. Yeah, maybe I'm not used to it. Opo! Let's go this guy. Let's get out of here. We're dying. Has anyone even joined yet? Good. Looks like we're the first in this. I'm sorry if I haven't done a Minecraft video for a while, because... Oh no! Someone joined the game. Victorious Cucumber. I think that was his name. I hate cucumbers. Let's get a berry rifle. Maybe the reason I bought it because it was good looking. Whoops! No, I died. So maybe I just should have bought the acid gun, because the acid gun is more good, I think. The acid gun is better. Get out of here. Oops! It's like he isn't catching up. Ooh! Poor me. I think he's catching up, guys. There are... Yeah! No. I think first place is going to be taken away from me. What's that? Oh, damn, he stole my kill. This. He doesn't know that there's this behind him. And that guy just died. Very ironic. Oops. Oh. minus 1 health. Okay, that's good. I'll be opening loot crates later. So let's start this match. Hopefully we'll get first. Oh, or it's just a start. Yes, I'm the first. Let's maintain this, guys. Let's maintain this. Come on. Yes. All I gotta do is look. Ooh, that guy's got a balloon launcher. I thought that was used only for sandbox. I didn't know that can be used in video games. Because maybe it was a weapon for the games and also a weapon for sandbox. Who knows? Because I'm a little bit new at this game. I spent out almost forever how to get this working. Like the weapon selection thing. To get it below. Because I really like this one. Because music styles like Minecraft. Which I'm more comfortable. So let's kill these. By the way, I still like to apologize, guys. This is my fight better. I still like to apologize, canceling my 2 series. If let's kill this. No, sometimes it's good, sometimes it's bad. Look at this shot. It's so magical. That's so God, someone stealing my girl. Okay, I'm using the firework. Just joking. So, let's maintain being first. Let's kill this hill. So many people, so many monsters in here. Yes, just got that kill. Over 5,000 score. No one can beat us. Yes, yes. No one can beat us surely for 30 seconds. Or if I die, someone really can beat me. Because I'm at low health. I'm only at 4 bars. Very rifle. There we go. Yes! I win! I win! I win! I win! Yes! That's good. 210 coins. That's not too shabby. I wanted to take back my coins. I want to refund my coins that I used for my barrier rifle because I'm disappointed.
And I'm hoping this guy burns. Come on, come on, come on. Burn, 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 burn.
Let's skip this ad. Burn, 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 burn. So I think that's going to be pretty much it for today, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure to leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Stay tuned for more future videos. Bye!